Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can move full screen game to other monitor. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. There are two ways you can move displays on your Windows. The first one is very simple. You can switch displays by just pressing Shift plus Windows key plus arrow key. Simply press the arrow key where you would like your screen to display. If this trick doesn't work for you, simply right-click anywhere on your desktop screen and go to Display Settings. Then click on the Multiple Displays tab in the center to switch between displays. You can just switch between primary and secondary displays. So, set the preferred display as primary and everything will be displayed in that one. And that's how you can move full screen game to other monitor. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.